Good morning to all students of class ninth of TSS School, Kaliganj. Now, I, Ramanand sir, want to teach you math for class ninth through online classes. First, 7th chapter, lines and angles were being. Now, I want to teach you chapter 7, lines and angles. In previous day, I have taught this lesson, but some of them is residue, that is supplementary angle and complementary angle. The definition of supplementary angle: if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angle. यदि दो कोनों का माप अगर 180 डिग्री के बराबर है तो वह एक दूसरे का संपूरक कोण कहलाता है. अब देखना है डेफिनेशन ऑफ कम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. इफ द सम ऑफ टू एंगल्स इज 90 डिग्री देन इट इज कॉल्ड कम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. यदि दो कोणों का योग 90 डिग्री है तो वह कम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल कहलाता है. सपोज दैट x is the first angle and other angle will be 90 degree minus y, means x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Now exercise 7a, look at from 7a exercise, question number 2, find the complement of each of the following angles. One of them is given 55 degree. 90 degree, then answer will be 90 degree minus 55 degree is equal to 34 degree answer. Second question is given to you. It is just like extra example except book. 3 by 5 of a right angles. The complementary of this angle is equal to what? So answer is given 90 degree minus cos start 3 by 5 of a right angle. 90 degree minus 3 by 5 into 90 degree. 5 divides 90, where quotient is 18. Now 18 3 is 54. 90 minus 54, after being subtracted, it is 36 degree. This is the answer. Now question number 3, find the supplementary angle of each of the following angles. One of them is given to you 41 degree. Now answer will be 138 degree. When 40 degree is subtracted from 180 degree, then you will get 138 degree. This is the supplement angle. Now question number 4, 3 by 5 of a right angles. What will be the supplement angle of 3 by 5 of a right angles? Then what will you do? You will subtract from 180 degree. 180 degree minus large cos start 3 by 5 of a right angle. 180 degree minus 3 by 5 into 90 degree. 5 divides 90 degree as a quotient of 18 degree. Now 18 3 is 54. 180 degree minus 54, we get 126 degree. This is the supplement angle. This is the answer. Now question number 4, find the measurement of an angle which is equal to its complement and second equal to its supplement. First question is going to be solved. we know that in the case of complement, x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Let the first complement angle is equal to x degree. Then second angle will be 90 degree minus x. Supposing y. Now according to question, both angles are equal. So we can write x is equal to y. X is equal to 90 degree minus x. Where 90 degree minus x is equal to y degree. X, this minus x, taking a plus sign, comes before is equal to sign, and here on adding x plus x we get 2x is equal to 90 degree, and then x is equal to 90 by 2, where 45 degree we get. Y is equal to 90 degree minus x. Y 90 degree minus, they putting the value of x is equal to 45 degree, then you will get y is equal to 45 degree. This is the answer. Means 45 and 45 both are equal. This is the answer. Now second, we know that in the case of supplement angle, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Let the first angle be x, then second angle y is equal to 180 degree minus x. Both angles are equal according to question. That's why we can write x is equal to 180 degree minus x. By calculation, we get x plus x is equal to 180 degree. X plus x, here 2x is equal to 180 degree, and x is equal to 180 degree by 2. We get x is equal to 90 degree. First angle, and second angle, y is equal to 180 degree minus x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. This is the answer. That's all. With all these studies, we want to stop till here, and further question will be explained in another classes. For now, I want to stop here. Okay, thank you.